Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, An Introduction to Excel 2016 Part 1. Excel 2016 is a spreadsheet program. Excel is also called a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet program works with numbers, text and formulas. It is used for mathematical, financial and scientific purposes. It also contains the functions like charts of different types. It is a large worksheet consisting of rows and columns used for calculation and data interpretation. Some of the calculation you can make are daily wages, runs scored by players, the amount of pocket money spent or saved by you, calculating the marks scored in a tax. This all calculation you can make in your Excel worksheet. Advantages. There are several advantages of using Excel. Speed. Easy to use. One of the main advantages of MS Excel is that it facilitates smooth and easy data entry compared to any other data entry and analyzing tools. MS Excel offers features like ribbon interface, a set of commands used to perform certain operations. Ribbon consists of many tabs which again consist of many command groups and their buttons. You can select the commands by clicking the related button and perform operations very easily. Now students, formulas automatically recalculate the result when the data values are changed. Calculations can be done easily and accurately. Perfect. Large amounts of data you should handle very easily. Data can be presented graphically through various charts and graphs. MS Excel allows you to create the visual presentation of data and information. The data can be visually displayed in the form of bar chart, column charts and graphs. It automatically revises the charts and graphs once the data gets modified. Tables can help to classify different entities according to their characteristics and features. Starting Excel 2016. Click on the Start button and then select Excel 2016. Or suppose students, if you are not finding in your menu Excel 2016, then type Excel in search box and click on Excel 2016. The Excel Start screen appears. You can create a new blank workbook, choose a template or access recently edited workbooks. From the options, click on blank workbook. Thank you.